Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most of today's news. Tomiyasu don't get major injury scare, as the commentator said the guy don't get injury for Japan. And our monitoring spirit that they call Kyoto News and Yumori Online, and then come out and let us know say Tomiyasu don't get in right hamstring injury. He gets, and nobody Tomiyasu, even the doctor say in teammates where they call Hiroki Sakai, say two of them say I don't get injury and they did likely to miss the Costa Rica match. Say two of them did doubtful because the manager of Japan, they call it give like media press conference normal, so you call it talk say for their next match against Costa Rica, we say they're supposed to win because after them win Germany, because a lot of people are expecting them to do well and qualify to the next round, so they need to play better against Costa Rica because after Costa Rica they'll come go play Spain. So the call it talk say this match is a doubt for these two guys, but they see how they go. And we now, how did it take this significance to us? And because we are Arsenal fans and we don't like to hear all this kind of injury. Tomiyasu already had an injury. I think when he played that FC Zurich Europa League match, he had an injury in that match. So this is why we say don't go Japan and come get another injury again. I never know how they go. Shamo just the watch. Away from that, so England versus USA, they play yesterday and the match ends 0-0. Saka retained in place for that match. Saka tried all his best, Sterling tried all his best, Harry Kane did everything and nobody could score. So the match was a drab affair, even though there were some pockets of brilliance, people tried to score but nobody could score. So now the match take end 0-0. Matt Turner also will play for USA, is an Arsenal blood. The guy played very well. He had a very nice game, made a lot of saves. The guy really saved USA. The guy played very well for international country. So we're very happy for him. And those Saka not to enjoy yesterday. So Phil Foden himself, we don't even say because many people call the clamor for Phil Foden, like all those kind of rankings. Say why they not put Phil Foden? Why Gareth Saka go start with Saka and Sterling every time? At least bring in Foden. Second half, they say bring in Rashford, they say bring Grealish. Nothing happen. So it is what it is. The official say Arsenal go play Juventus on December 17. Arsenal don't officially confirm them for their website, and Juventus also don't confirm them for their own end. So it is an official encounter. So by December 17, we will see how these things will go. I know what day now December will reach now. Rivaldo will be one of the Brazilian greats. Don't come as I call it talk about Gabriel Jesus and the World Cup. So back on the dot say Gabriel Jesus need to be very patient. Say in time for the Brazilian setup will come because people will be ahead of him in the pecking order like a Richarlison. He's doing well in the World Cup. He has scored 2 goals, so there's nothing you can do. And as a manager, you're not supposed to change a winning team unless it is broken. So we are expecting Richarlison to also start again for Brazil. So nobody doesn't make him get patience. Once your time comes, make sure you take your chances and score. You get, because the only thing will make maybe Gabriel Jesus replace Richarlison, and maybe Richarlison can't get injury or can't get suspension, or maybe they don't win their first 2 games. Reason say the last game they don't need to risk anybody because they don't already qualify either way and they don't top their group. They don't come play a Gabriel Jesus ahead of a Richarlison. But apart from that, it's not seeing it happening. It's just the advice our own Gabriel Jesus say, just be patient, your time is coming. Away from that, so Igor Jovicevic will be the coach of the Shakhtar Donetsk club. So Baron Kovac they advise Mikhail Mudryk. They tell us say make him no come out for Ukraine, make him still stay for Shakhtar so that he go harness that in potential, make him into the finished goods, don't transport them to any big club where they wait. Say now it is too early. Say make him just still get patience for there. Say you talk to him like a father. I get the guy do press conference, come they analyze them to me because they happy the way because the Mudryk they come outside from media setting, they talk about Arsenal, saying they admire Arsenal, say one join Arsenal. All these things are public knowledge and they know they happy with the way things they go, so they still won't keep them. That is why they won't try to use price to pursue Arsenal. They call 100 million euros, 100 million pounds, 85 million pounds. They call high fee because if they feel say once the fee is very high, nobody will really want to sign the guy. And don't forget, say Mikhail himself don't they complain, say the prices that they place for head, say it did too much. Say if they sell them, they go use that money, go replace and buy another player with that same price. Who can buy him for that kind of price? I want to Mikhail tell them say it is too much. And if you look at it from the point of view of the coach Igor, so Baba dey very very selfish. He dey look and say, if Mikhailo comot for Ukraine, comot for Shakhtar Donetsk, him go miss the star of the team, because now they carry Shakhtar Donetsk for head, now they score their goals, they give them assists. It has a very very big bite force in that team, Champions League goal. So if he come out now, they really say they feel they struggle to win games. So the guy wants to keep this player for a very very long time under him tutelage. But when they forget, say football na dynamic something, na something we say you need to move as the trend they go. Now you be say now you the trend, now people they look for you. If you no go now, make wetin do Awa no go do you. I remember when Arsenal offer whether na 50 something million euros for Awa, Leon say no. Now the same Awa now AC Milan won't go for £8 million now, and Leon is likely going to sell because the guy in talents don't fall like not like talent, his potential is falling like a pack of cards. So you go use your tongue count on it, you go look other people's story, you use and they judge yourself. Say make I not go be like this person. So that's my prayer for him. But by January we will test the resolve of this Shakhtar Donetsk. We know whether truly they go want to sell the guy now. I mean they would like to wait till the summer before they can sell him. Let's see how all these things play out. Our Nigel Winterborn, don't come as I call it, talk say Bukayo Saka must make sure say he play for all England matches, like he becomes an England starter, because now what about the top, but say don't watch Saka for 3 seasons and Saka they improve. Say the guy don't be consistent. He consistently improves in these 3 seasons and he's very very outstanding. And the sweet part, say the guy is like 21, 22 now, he's still growing. He gets so in the future we don't know what the future will hold, but Saka is projected to be a very very important player for England and for Arsenal. So we don't make the guy go be like a Rashford talent. So Rashford, I remember in the past, those days, they put Rashford like the talent of the century. They this one, they that one, give he has great potential. Look at Rashford today now. No fit even make England first level. They chop Benjamin. So all those things now no one for Saka. Let the guy continue in progression. If he go come up for Arsenal and they see I'm regressing, make continue for where in they progress, they play week in week out, because the more you play, the more you get better and you get developed. So now so you just be so, you just watch. On the more negative news for Brazil, so Neymar don't suffer lateral ligament injury for his right ankle, he gets. And this thing now, the significance on the team, they say you could give other people a huge chance to break into the first 11. People like maybe Martinelli, people like maybe Gabriel Jesus. Now people are say they will fit break into the first 11, because once Neymar no play, how he go come be. Now then fit choose they choose them, or people like Bruno Guimaraes that they will choose to get. So it's a big pity. You can call it pity for Brazil, say they don't miss one of the big stars, because we never know when the guy will come back. Get so whether by the time they go come back, Brazil will not come for the competition, and they go still there. I mean we just fly go back home, go treat himself, because at that match for Serbia, I see the way they kick the guy, where the guy will hold the leg. Which I kind of suspect say this guy if he don't get injured, but he's still strong enough. But now after every the physios can't check and say, this your ligaments don't tear them. So it is what it is. Wish him quick recovery. Roy King now come and say I can't talk about Thomas Partey. So Baba can say Thomas Partey need to improve in leadership status. Say the guy don't fit guide Ghana to beat Portugal. So say for that reason, Thomas Partey no be leader. So people like Jamie Carragher, they call it correct and say no be like that. Say nobody judge Thomas Partey of Arsenal and Thomas Partey of Ghana. They don't do the same pedigree now. Say Partey for Arsenal, they play with some kind of established stars. But for Ghana, they play with some kind of shit packer. So what do you expect? The three cannot make a forest. Get even Ronaldo gone, and having no be penalty in score. Even that penalty is supposed to not be counted, because VAR no check out. A lot of people have the opinion that penalty is a wrong penalty. Get so you don't have to Ghana even try to score 2 goals. So at least cut him some slack. Don't the judge player like that. I don't know, this Roy King, just whether I get hatred for Thomas Partey, I don't really understand, because the way just they dissect the guy negatively. Napoli don't come outside say that they interested in signing Lokonga, and the problem is say Lokonga no they happy for Arsenal, because they relegate them to cameo appearances. They relegate them as a deputy. Get now only when Thomas Partey don't get injured in the country, or maybe some kind of less important match, or maybe they play group stage of all those kind of Europa League ahead. They will put them once that Europa League now don't they mature now, they will forget Lokonga. So the guy no really they happy. So when they look for more game time, they look for where he go play, they'll enjoy. You don't say the guy is coming from an Anderlecht club where he was their captain, playing week in week out. Now left his comfort zone to come to Arsenal to come and challenge for his place, but it no dey very very easy for him. And the guy is still very young, So in the reason say if you go join this new club now, maybe go come get more game time, and Napoli the promise and say once you come, Baba, we'll give you more game time and you're going to enjoy yourself. Now the problem is, will Arsenal allow him to go? So if Arsenal sign that Thomas Partey replacement for January, I think it would be very, very wise for us to send a Lokonga out on loan, not really to sell him, send him out on loan the way they send all this to Tavares, because now still playing time carry Tavares come out. Now playing time and carry many people come out. So carry this Lokonga, make him go out on at least the remainder 6 months of the season, make him go play out on loan, enjoy himself, then come and join us next season. But the problem is, see, if we go win title, they will give a medal. This one say don't loan them out. I don't understand whether the first 6 months when you play, you go count. So I don't really know. Go just watch. Amari Betis on the side say they want to sell their star midfielder, what they call Guido Rodriguez, for 2023 January. You get, and the problem now be say the guy he no want sign new contract a day for his final lap. So and they're going to really say, okay, if you don't want to sign new contract, we don't have any choice than to sell you, because we no go allow you run down your contract. They talk to that kind of £20 million then go in valuation if they want to sell them. And Arsenal and Liverpool, and then they highly interested in buying this player. You say Arsenal has done the link us to many players. No mean say now all these players will go sign, but at least they're linking us, showing we are interested. You say enter market now, won't buy clothes now. Nobody say we just enter market, check one cloth, just go now. Go look this one, look. I like that one. Or bring and make I see, madam. All those kind of things. At the end of the day, what you go so go buy one or you go buy two, but you don't touch many. So now so it be for transfer market. So before the market opens, you'll be linked to several players, some kind of deals, some kind of talks, some kind of question and answer inquiry will they happen behind the scene. So at the end of the day, Arsenal will choose who they will sign. Let's keep watching. Our Valencia midfielder, when they call Yunus Musa, where they play for USA, don't come as I call the talk say in regrets to come out for Arsenal. You get, so Babaka the talk say when he come out for Arsenal, say the team do one kind, but at the end of the day, say thank God, say at 16 years old when he did for Arsenal Academy, he was the captain of the youth side. This guy did for Arsenal Academy for 7 good years. They with the Saka them, so he was there for 7 good years. So if you say he don't they ready to break into the first team of the Arsenal squad, but Arsenal no really feel say in they ready. So he can come out for Arsenal, can go join Valencia. So Valencia can put down for their team B. Now but team B can play the first season, can play before they come migrate and enter the team A. So now they're going to play very well. So they find a way go USA World Cup squad to show you how good he is. So now one of the stars we will let go. Nobody say we purposely let them go because you don't know everybody's potential. There are so many players in the Arsenal London Colony Academy, and when you reach there, how many people you will choose to get? You don't know who get the potential to play in the future. You know go know. So now so it just be. So we just regret say we let the guy go. And the guy said, if we watch now, even Gabriel Southgate for media conference the para say USA don't do the one why you say USA carry one of their own, don't go put them as their own. Say but no wahala, fair play. For you to know say they pay in England FA. Say this player, this senior man, midfielder, the guy is strong, they black if they watch that USA game. Don't be George Weah picking and they talk about the midfielder, you get Yunus Musa. The guy is very, very good. They play. Now Arsenal trainer. The guy even they give attributes to Arsenal, say Arsenal made me the player I am today. So special accolades and special thanks to the Arsenal Academy. But it is what it is. I'm representing England for now. Now the same way in England have the para for Jamal Musiala who they play for Germany. Get the guy said now English blood, but he can't choose Germany because he feels say for Germany stand the chance to play in the World Cup, and because he play for Bayern Munich, so it would be easy for him to play there. So it is what it is. Let's continue. One of our senior man, they call Joseph Adeni Hassan. Baba come and say, CHUKS, send me your Azza, man. God bless you for what you're doing. So Baba send me 3K and will say, Baba, I knew we take some money to bless us. We got to replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Snail man came out. Our friend Lumberg said, don't come outside saying they're proud to see informer academy player Yunus Musa and Bukayo Saka. So 2 of them they play for the World Cup. Saka they represent England, Yunus they represent USA, and 2 of them come face off when USA play England. Saying they're very, very proud at least. Now 2 of them prodigy, people going train, people going bring up, you get 2 of them come they play for the highest stage of world football. See they very, they give and joy, shy, they make an belly the sweet time you get. He just be very, very happy and he wish them the best in their choice of career, because they continue to do good things. Our Judge Nicola will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal will make another bid for Danilo of Palmeiras after the World Cup stages, because Arsenal they feel say many eyes on the day on this player, and if they don't act fast, another person fit go collect this guy, and the guy said they're interested in joining us because of our Brazilian contingent and because of our sporting director Edu Gaspar. So, and the guy, don't forget, don't talk saying be friends with Martinelli, be friends with all those guys, whether like Gabriel and Dani Alves, but at least those two there for Arsenal, so it will make sense for him to come join us here to continue the Brazilian mini contingents with they here. So that's what we are expecting. So we're at the expecting if Arsenal pay that kind of 20 million euros or 20 million pounds or 25 million euros within that range bracket, say it go work and the guy will come join us. Well, let's see how all these things go. Man, we say we don't no waste time. Once you don't identify a target, say this is who I want. Once the opportunity comes up, go there, pay for him and get him. No time. Arsenal are interested in signing Victoria Guimaraes defensive midfielder, what they call Ibrahima Bamba. And this guy is 20 years old. He can play as a centre back, he can play as a defensive midfielder. That is why Arteta the reason, because Arteta likes players with high level of versatility. That is why I won't go for the guy. And funny enough, this guy is going to come cheap. It's like he's in his final year, because I don't understand why they want to sell him for £5 million. And the guy is a very, very young player. So now person will also do watch the guy, and the guy is built very well. He did tall. So I like the way the guy they play. So now person will say Arsenal they always look to the one side. So anyhow way they be we just the watch. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and see how you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.